Do you remember you had a little tamagotchi where it mostly crapped and died after one day? No? I guess that was just me. Anyway, this MoonlightCube Slimes, your pet slime won't die. Not only that, your slime mints BTON for free. You don't need to spend any money to get a slime, don't need to mint any NFT. It's really free to play and free to earn. How much can you actually earn? The amount you earn depends on your enemy strength and your ranking. Even if you're not in the top 10, you can still earn up to 1000 BTON per battle. So if you're just starting out, you don't earn a lot because your enemy is weak. If you chomp more goops, you can increase your strength and beat stronger enemies. Anyway, I'll show you how to play this game and how to beat the enemy. Exploring. The most basic way to earn BTON is to explore. Just click once to start the verification. Don't hold it down first. You have to redo this step. The possible outcomes are BTON, enemies, and Goop. Looks like I got BTON from my one action point. Now is a good time to hold down the button so that you can explore all in one go. Nice! This time, I got BTON, enemy, and Goop. Here's a tip. If you dislike the verification, you can go to donate and donate 1 ICP to remove the captcha. Battle. I'm hungry for blood and I'd like to kill some enemies. But wait, how do I know if they will actually die? You have to check your stats against your enemy stats. In order to ensure you can kill the enemy, you have to make sure your attack is more than the enemy's defense. It will be a draw if you do not kill it in 10 turns, as there is a chance to miss. Okay, my attack is 1000, and this Moonlight Thunderclap, the Ruthless, ain't seeming too ruthless with his 190 defense. There's a chance Moonlight might kill me though, since his attack is higher than my defense. So if it hits me a few times, I might die, but there is a chance he might miss. If I die, the enemy will run away. So in order to ensure my victory, it's time to chomp some goop to increase my stats. For my goops, being the Goop Artist, I like keeping some of my pretty goop. So I will freeze my pretty goops and chomp the rest by chomping all. Nice! I got more attack and defense, which is really what I needed. Now that my stats has increased, I'm quite confident I can defeat Moonlight, so time to beat him up. Alright, now the battle is won, and I got 85 BTON. If you start out, the enemy is weak, so maybe you will get 1 to 3 BTON. But as you get stronger, the stronger enemies drop more. You can check the battle log. Looks like Moonlight died instantly from my overwhelming attack. For the next one, Nugash has really low defense, 400, whereas my attack is 3000, so no problem. Okay, now it's Moonlight. Can I kill him? His defense is 3200, whereas my attack is 3600. There's a bit of difference. My attack is slightly higher than his defense. But is it enough to kill him? I'm gonna give it a go and see. I won! Nice! So you see, I've missed a few times because the defense is like really close. If the defense is more, basically you have no hope. So you have to make sure at least your attack is more than the defense. So yeah, I didn't hit my full because if the defense is really high. But I managed to kill it eventually. So yes, that's how you kill your enemy. There are 2 dungeons. 1, the tutorial dungeon. 2, the real dungeon. So I'm showing you right now the tutorial dungeon. For the tutorial dungeon, you cannot earn any money. It's just for you to try it out. What you can do is to choose a core first, So here I will claim an empty one. Now I can manage my dungeon. I suggest you can try it out yourself to check out all the features when managing a core. But in the tutorial dungeon, you cannot stake any money and you'll get kicked out at the dungeon at UTC 0. Okay, now on the real dungeon where you actually can earn money, you can earn money if you attack someone, and you also can request to defend if you want to just like help out, and then you both also get money. So, well, money, I mean BTON. And here I've requested this guy, he's not like responded, so I'm gonna try my luck today and just attack someone. So here we have, let's say, I'm just trying to look at this. Okay, right now I'm looking at the stat limit. So the stat limits, like, they show what is your maximum. So my stat limit is 10k. Actually, I'm too strong for this dungeon now. So even if he approved, I wouldn't be able to join. So I need to go for a slightly higher stat. So I might actually go for only friends. Sorry, dude, if you're watching this. This stat limit is 50k. Actually, it's near where I probably could attack. Okay, so the sake of this video, I'm just gonna show how it looks like. So I'm gonna attack. And oh, okay, he died. So, oh, I died, I mean. He meant Richard. Okay, so Richard is too weak to take on this. Oh shoot, I didn't realize that 3 defenders. That was not a good idea. Should have gone for slimy next, only one guy. Okay, so back to safety. So let me just show you here. So for the dungeons, if you do attack, you do actually get some BTON. I don't know if anyone's attacked recently, but these are all you can see, like the dungeon called distributed BTON to the defenders. So this is from the real dungeon. You get the BTON based on how much is staked inside as well. Yeah, so for example, map has defeated Nat and cleared dungeon core and earned 20k BTON. So yeah, that's how you play this game. Let's say if you are holding the core, like one of these guys here, you basically don't get kicked out like the tutorial dungeon. What happens instead is that you have this daily earnings on UTC 000. So every time it reaches that, you earn the money from the core. So it's how much you stake plus the treasury. Alright, so that's how you earn if you are holding the core. So the longer you hold, then every day at this time you can get the money, unless someone raids you and you're out of the core.